Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change your native language on Duolingo app. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So to change the native based language on Duolingo app, click on the flag to top left of the Duolingo app and then click on the plus button. Now when you click on the plus button, you will see a lot language. Now you can look at the language that you recognize. So all of these languages here are in English. So I understand what if I click on this, then the best language will return to English. So if you don't recognize any of these languages, then scroll down and click on these three dots lines at the bottom, and this will open up additional languages. For example, there is Arabic here and there is various other languages if I scroll down. So once again you have to click on the language that you recognize. So I'm going to click on Russia, and then we will see that the best language will revert to my native language, which is English, and that is you all have to do. So this is the way how you can change your native language on Duolingo app. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.